Hi everyone, I am G. Vinodini, first BBA, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. Today's topic is Business Communication, Unit 1. First we see what is communication. Communication is the skill which is used to convey our thoughts, messages to the other person. Next we see the definition of communication, which was given by G. G. Brown. Communication is transfer of information from one to another person, whether or not in confident, but the information transferred must be understandable to the receiver. Now we see the classification of communication. Communication is classified under three categories: communication based on parties, communication based on formality, and other types of communication. Let's we discuss in detail in the upcoming slides. Communication based on parties can be classified into two types: internal communication and external communication. Internal communication. Internal communication is nothing but the communication happen between the participant who are all within the same organization. Internal communication can be classified as vertical communication and horizontal communication. Vertical communication. Vertical communication refers the communication between the higher official like managers, supervisor and the subordinates like team members. Vertical communication can be classified into downward communication, upward communication, diagonal communication. Downward communication. Downward communication is the communication from the superior to the subordinate. Example, the information conveyed from supervisor to the team members. Upward communication. Upward communication is just opposite to the downward communication. Example, the information conveyed from the employee to the manager. Diagonal or cross communication. The communication happen at different levels. Horizontal communication. Horizontal communication is nothing but the communication happens between the persons who belongs to the same position. Example, team leader communicates with other team leader. An employee communicates with another employee. External communication. External communication is used to convey the information to the parties outside the organization. External parties include customers, suppliers, investors, bankers, insurance companies, government agencies, local communities. Communication based on formality can be classified two types: formal communication and informal communication. Formal communication. Formal communication is the communication happened by following some set of rules and procedure in an organization. Informal communication is the communication happens without following any rules and procedure. Informal communication is more effective when compared to formal communication. Other types of communication can be classified as personal communication and mass communication. Personal communication. Personal communication is exchanging the personal information to the parties, can be done within an organization or outside the organization. Mass communication. Mass communication is conveying message or information to the large number of persons. Mass communication is done through radio, television, newspaper, magazines. Thank you everyone.